Combining innovative cable management, concentrated airflow, and proven Corsair build quality, the 4000D is a fitting choice for an immaculate high-performance PC. The Corsair RapidRoute cable management system makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25 mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120 mm AirGuide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A spacious interior fits up to 6 by 120 mm or 4 by 140 mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators including 360 mm in front and 280 mm in the roof, dependent on RAM height. Put modern connections within easy reach with a front I/O panel including a USB 3.1 Type-C port, USB 3.0 port, and a combination audio, microphone jack. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome case. I needed to replace my old case when I upgraded my GPU as the new GPU was a lot longer and was blocked by the drive bays. I chose this case after looking for a mid-tower in the budget of around $100, and this one was topping a lot of the lists, and I am happy with my choice. The case is robust with a mix of plastic and metal, but the plastic is strong, and does not feel flimsy. The case is easy to assemble and disassemble. There is plenty of airflow with a lot of room for fans. My only complaint is that the hard drive bay in the bottom doesn't leave a ton of room for the PSU. This was pretty easy to get around as the drive bay can be moved a little further back. If one is planning on putting a radiator behind it, then this could be an issue. I am only using air cooling for now though. Cable management is very good with a lot of space and holes behind the main panel. There are also Velcro strips and zip ties provided to help. Overall, this is a great case that is easy to use with good airflow. It is also very attractive, and I like the minimalist design. I got it in white.